Do you find the best LED under cabinet lights? The EZVALO 62 LED. Under cabinet lighting is a versatile and efficient lighting solution for your kitchen, pantry, or closet. This 6-pack set features motion sensor activation, a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, and dimmable brightness with 3 color temperature options. The included remote control allows for convenient adjustments, while the wireless design ensures easy installation. Additionally, the built-in charging station enhances functionality, making it a practical and stylish lighting upgrade. This motion sensor lights indoor feature 2 auto modes. Day mode activates even in bright environments, while night mode only responds to low light. Both modes automatically turn off after 20 seconds of no movement, ensuring efficient energy use. With always-on mode, the cabinet lighting remains illuminated, but will automatically turn off if no motion is detected for 30 minutes, ensuring continuous lighting only when needed while saving energy. If you want to buy this LED under cabinet kitchen light, there is a link in my video description. Please check the actual price from Amazon. Thank you.